this Friday the 30th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to finish the last day of the week and get on with your weekend. Hope you guys have a nice weekend coming up. We're probably going to have a test next week. Obviously, it will not be on Monday. I will give you more information about that next week, but there will be a quiz more than likely next week. At this time, please turn your homework in. Page 795, those numbers right there. Stop. Make sure your name is on it before you turn it in, please. And let's continue on. Incompletes for pre-cal. Let's see what we have here. Brian, you took your quiz already, so I will take that off. And then Shen, if this is not turned in today, it will become a permanent 0. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. If you turn it in, fine. If not, it'll be a permanent 0. If you miss a day or many days, students, the first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. Unless you pre-contact me, please don't get behind on your videos when you are absent. Today we're going to be taking a quiz and then working on homework about vectors. The homework that is due tomorrow is right there. Please copy that down. The help video is called October 30th homework. It's about 20 minutes long. And to be honest with you, the homework is actually really simple. If you end up taking a lot of time for your quiz, make sure then that you do your homework over the weekend. But understand, if you do that, it's okay. The homework is pretty simple, and it will not take you that long. So if you do end up taking a lot of time on your quiz, it will be okay. Please notice that your quiz number 5s were passed back today. There is a correction video for those that want to find their mistakes. Now, I encourage everyone to watch it, and sometimes I make it a requirement. This time I'm not, so it is your decision to make whether you watch the video or not. But I would definitely encourage you to watch it and find your mistake, okay? Or your mistakes if you missed more than one problem. The correction video is called Pre-Cal Quiz number 5 Corrections, okay? It's about 8 minutes long. Also, the students receiving bonus points on this quiz are Abby, Mike, Emmy, and Brian. No one else turned their homework in early yesterday, so just clarifying, making sure everybody understands that, okay? Alright, moving on. At this time, go ahead and pause the video, please. Mrs. Stewart, pass the quizzes out, and once everyone has one, then restart the video. Okay, students, numbers 1, 2, and 3, you're solving the triangle. Notice that number 1 is a side-side angle situation. Remember, that's when you might have no triangle or one triangle or two triangles. So if you need more blanks there, if you need another capital B and another capital C and a little c, because if number 1 ends up having two triangles, then feel free to write that in. But you should understand what I'm saying if you've been staying on top of your homework. Number 4, find the area of the triangle when I give you those 3 links there. So please do that. Then number 5, there's a word problem there that I want you to solve. Okay, guys? Alright, so there is your quiz. At this time, please get started with your quiz and then start working on your homework. Have a great weekend. Oh, by the way, remember, you must finish your quiz today.